Hello. Hello, Sante partners. Ayan. We're going to wait for this to pop on your screen, the notification to pop on your screen. And so most of our most of our Team Stallion 777 family members across the globe can watch and connect with us right at this moment. I hope that I'm clear enough. I have to pull out the screen and so I can see if you are seeing, if everybody's seeing me right now or not, or just me seeing myself. This is just going to be a really quick catch up with everyone. It feels like it's, how will I say this? Um, First again in a long time that I've done Facebook Live. Okay, please comment down below where you are watching me from, my dearest partners, so I can shout you out and also I can recognize you, alright? So, because we are being broadcasted in 18 countries. Yan. So, maganda po i-comment nyo kung saan kayo nanonood ngayon, my dearest partners. And please, if your coaches or mentors are not yet watching this live or they're not yet clicking the link, let them know that we are about to start with our Facebook Live. Supposed to be, this is going to be really, really quick catch up. I'm just going to share with you as what you are seeing on the screen that this is negosyo habang naglalakbay because I am a traveler by heart and I would like to share with you if you are also a travel enthusiast and you would like to know how we are doing it. Okay. So, yeah, I'll be more than happy to share with you. Okay. Let me just let me share this. Okay. So, hindi ko masyadong makikita lahat sino ang nanonood at sinong nakakapanood na at sino pa ang hindi nakakapanood. Ayan. So, I'm going to copy the link and send it to our group chat. Okay. Oh, there's just a lot of things happening in the company right now, enhancements to make sure that you can achieve your dreams. But I'm not the one to discuss with you gaano ka-exciting ang mga susunod na pangyayari. Hello, Coach Carla Calara. Ayan. I'm seeing you. Okay. So, yeah, basically, whether you are watching it live or that you might watch it after I finish my live broadcast, that is totally, totally fine. Basically, whether you okay. are... Ang pinaka-importante lang is ma-watch mo itong live na to, okay? So that you will be encouraged. Basically, what we do here in our team is we encourage our fellow business partners to, achieve your dreams and the things that really matters, so that you can do the things that really matters to you. Okay. So right now, why my topic is nagnenegosyo habang naglalakbay, or me being a traveler by heart, sharing it with you. How am I doing it? How am I being able to travel for free in Sante, and also I can also travel on my own, and I have experience traveling in 1 month time. And back in 2022, I've traveled, had a vacation abroad for 25 days back in 2022, back in 2024, and then pahinga muna 2023, 2024, I traveled for a month long. No? So, hello, Mentor Annabel Manubag. Ayan. Hello, Mentor Eds Panopio, Ikalia. And sa mga manonood pa po, no, share nyo lang po ito. So, I don't know with you if kinikilig ka pag pinag-uusapan yung travel. I don't know kung ang nakakapagpakilig sa'yo is yung um, discussing about your dream car, or nakakapagpakilig sa'yo is um, having your dream house, or send your kids to the best school, or ma-provide yung pinakamagandang buhay sa family mo. But whatever your reason is why you're doing this Sante business, I can tell you, I can assure you na this is the perfect opportunity to achieve your goals. And now is a perfect moment to ignite that fire, or para reactivate your business or your account dahil sa napakaraming pasabog ng Sante for its 18th year anniversary na hindi ko madidiscuss ngayon sa inyo, but I just want to share with you this excitement that I'm holding na talagang it can assure you of achieving your biggest dream for this year if you're going to finish this year strong and talagang hataw mode na for the next year. Alright, so I was just reminded by my dearest sister and mentor, Ed's Panopi Ikalia, because I think I have not yet been able to share with you how I was able to travel for 30 days, no? So, kasi there are just a lot of things that I would like to share. Dami kong kwento, daming mga achievements because of this Sante opportunity. When I started this business, you know me that I've started it part-time. I was able to travel for free first in Hong Kong. And from then on, it's like, yung dream ko lang before na, paano kaya, kailan kaya? Mangyari kaya din sa akin na makapag-travel, no? Hello, Mentor Marina! Hello, Coach Berry Grace Velasco. And thank you so much for tagging your team. Okay, I might be able to see everyone, but just in case, you're in my heart. Okay, so alam mo yun, after that, yung dream ko na makapag-travel, and hinataw ko ang negosyo, this business, no, with the help of our mentors and then the system of the program of Sante, I was able to qualify for my first trip to Hong Kong. And then from there, it opened, parang yung portal sa loob ng katawan na, oh, kaya ko pala to, kaya ko pala ma-achieve yung mga dreams ko. And little by little, okay, so, whether pa-travel yan ni Sante, may mga pa-travel si Sante, from then on, nagko-qualify ako every single year. And from time to time, ako din po ay nagta-travel on my own pocket, okay? But not unlike before when I was an employee na kailangang ipunin yung pera, no? Kailangang ipunin ng matindi yung pera para makapunta sa local travel. Ayan. Tapos after nun, kailangan magtrabaho ulit kasi pag hindi, syempre wala nang income, no? Unlike po sa ating Sante, nagnenegosyo, nagbabakasyon because our business is portable. Na just have your phone with you with internet connection, may laptop ka dyan, anywhere, everywhere, kahit nasa CR ka, gumagana yung negosyo. That's why from then on, I was able to travel first time. I was able to travel to Sabah, Malaysia with my sister. Sabah, Malaysia. And then from Sabah, Malaysia, we book a plane ticket. From Sabah, Malaysia, we book a plane ticket going to Kuala Lumpur. And then from Kuala Lumpur, we went to Singapore. Ayan. So, I think roughly, magto 2 weeks din ata yun, no? So, yeah, roughly magto 2 weeks din yon. Okay? So, that is the joy. And I started traveling at such a young age. So, yung edge na binibigay ng opportunity to, at that time, so nag-stop ako ng working mga 2019, no? Before 2020. Ayan. So, after that, I traveled as well. Sabi ko, I would like to see Hagdag-Handang Palayan. I keep all of those postcards. Alam niyo po yun? Ikaw ba mahilig ka? Type nga 1 kung mahilig ka po mag-collect ng postcards. So, I collect postcards because gusto kong maikumpara yung pagpunta ko sa lugar, maikukumpara ko yon sa itsura nung pinuntahan ko na scenery. Totoo ba na yung itsura sa postcard, yun talaga yun talaga yun. Doon ako mahilig yung, okay, pag napuntahan ko yung lugar na yon, i-compare ko kung totoo. Ayan, so, to cut the long story short, I went to Banawe Rice Terraces and na-amaze ako, no, na okay, I was just thinking about it day and night. And talagang kinikilig ako pag naiisip ko yung ano kaya, pag nandun na ako, gano'ng kasarap yung pakiramdam. And then, tuloy-tuloy na workout, talking to people, doing what I can on my spare time para i-share yung opportunity, magte-take ng video, magpo-post ng mga about sa Sante, no? And if follow up yung mga business partners or potential prospects. And then from there, tuloy-tuloy with the posting ng FB, I was able to qualify for the South Korea travel. Yung South Korea travel back in 2019, I think that was the hardest mechanics sa pag-achieve ng travel kasi puro builder pack po 'yon. Okay? Puro builder pack 'yon, wala yung store. Lahat po ng package na business partner sa pumasok builder pack, no? So, I was just, alam mo po yung technique ko doon? There is this app. May app doon na magbibigay siya ng face, ng buong katawan. Type mo doon, South Korea handbook. So, lalabas doon yung picture ng tao, ng babae na nakasuot ng handbook, yung cultural dress ng South Korea. Tapos po, pwede mong palitan ng muka. So, what I did is, kumuha ko ng ilang mga samples doon. Ayan, ng mga samples. Tapos, pinagpapalitan ko ng mukha ko. Feel ko yun eh. Every time na bubuksan ko yung phone, every time bubuksan ko yung computer ko, every time na, pinaprint ko pa yon. Tapos, meron akong board na doon nakalagay yung mga bansa na gusto kong puntahan. So, South Korea nakalagay doon. South Korea, here I come. Alam niyo po ba, challenging yun na at that time. Before kasi, hindi pa kami magaling sa online marketing, no? Tsaka, hindi pa ako ganun na kagaling na mag-explain ng business, tapos hindi pa ganun yung leadership skills ko. Hindi pa fully developed. Pero, with my excitement, tsaka kunting, okay, kaya natin to, no? Na-qualify ko yung South Korea. Of course, this is teamwork. Kasi yung excitement level natin, nahahawa yan sa mga tao. Whether alam nila or hindi nila alam, nakakausap ka nila from time to time, tapos excited ka, no? Kahit tawid dagat, may frequency na alam ng leaders, alam ng mga business partners, na excited tayo sa negosyo. Pagka tayo ay yung energy natin, kahit hindi nila tayo nakikita, no? So, alam mo po yun, I was just so super, parang, na-shock pa ako nun eh. Okay, pero expected, pero na-shock pa rin ako na nag-qualify ako sa South Korea. Seoul, South Korea yon. And we went there during pa-end ng winter, no po. Tapos yung, totoo nga yung sa postcard, hello, partner Ima Macaranas. Ayan, hello, partner Jean Capesos. Hello, Coach Silva Calderon. Ayan, thank you so much for tagging. Hello, Mentor Dory Espiritu Sancha. Ayan po, no? Hello, Coach Jocelyn Lubong. Sino ba po ba nandito? Ayan. Hello, partner Glenda Ubando. Okay po, no? So, alam mo, meron din po akong postcards nun. Yung postcard ng Seoul, South Korea, na yung isang street doon ay puro may cherry blossom. Sabi kasi nila, pag daw winter, tapos nandun ka sa may cherry blossom tree, sa ilalim ng cherry blossom tree. Tapos, bumagsak yung bulaklak ng cherry blossom. Pag may lalaki sa tabi mo, kayo daw yung forever. Pero hindi yun ang hindi yun ang intention ko doon. Yung intention ko, makita na yung street talaga na yun is ganun nga ang itsura na parang magical place. Magical place. Hello, Coach Emily Francisco Cabangon, ayan, watching from Australia. Coach Suzanne, watching from Abu Dhabi, ayan. Partner Ima Macaranas, watching from Dubai, no? So, nung pinag-compare ko, dinala ko yung postcards, wow, totoo nga, ganito nga yung itsura ng sa Seoul, South Korea, no? Totoo nga na yung isang buong mahabang street, imagine niyo po yun, namumukadkad yung cherry blossom. Alam niyo po yung mala Winter Sonata. Alam mo yung mga yung mga dati Korean novela talaga na nakaka-in-love. Nakaka-in-love. Tapos yung mga tao doon talaga kahit nagtitinda lang ng pabango, ganyan. Tapos or nagtitinda lang sa street food, as in talaga face card talagang matindi. Hello, Mentor Romeline Morias, no? So, alam mo, from there, kaya pala. Tinuloy-tuloy ko pa po. And, the rest is, alam niyo na po yung story na nakapag-travel tayo sa kung saan mang bansa tayo dalhin ni Sante. And then, sabi ko nga, and the cruise itself, and then and then Jeju Island po, no? The Jeju Island is iconic. Talagang, sabi ko, nakikita ko lang to sa Korean novela na umaakyat sila doon pag nagde-date ganyan or whatnot, no? Na napuntahan po natin together with my mom, together with Mentor S, Mentor Gab, di ba? Mentor Les, Mentor Yana, Mentor Tin, Mentor Mika, yun po, Mentor Elaine, mga mentors po natin, no? And a whole lot more. Tapos from there, yung mga cruise, di ba po? So, wala pa akong ka-Titanic kasi sa mga cruise. Single traveling. Ayan. And then, this came 2022. Like, every time I imagine myself, I'm traveling alone, doing Indochina travel. Opo. So, I'm a person like, makita ko yung vlog na yan. What if ako din? Ayan. So, maraming travel si Sante, pero hindi tumatama sa Indochina travel. Ang Indochina is Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia. Okay, so I said, how about, kaya talaga yun? Kasi mukha namang, may mga vlog nagsasabi, pwede mag-travel lang ganyan. So sabi ko, sige, itry ko din yan. So back in 2022, tapos kasi, ko talaga yun, it's a goal na makapag-travel ng Indochina, yung banana trip. Sabi kong ganyan, I would like to know for myself, no? Na kaya mag-travel ng gayon. So, from the Philippines, I flew straight to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur. And then, from Kuala Lumpur, I went to Johor Bahru. From Johor Bahru, it will take 8 hours from Kuala Lumpur via bus. Tapos, from Johor Bahru, I have decided to cut the trip, not go straight to Thailand, but fly going to Indonesia kasi magbubukas yung ating opisina. Okay po, this is the time we're in. Tinatapos yung opisina sa Indonesia. You know, God is good and we have the means, the time, and financial capacity para bilhin yung plane ticket at the height of the price just to cut my trip and go fly straight to Indonesia. So, hindi po siya from Kuala Lumpur to Jakarta, it's still malayong distansya. So, the price of the ticket is, it's a good price. Now, but because of our Sante business, kaya po natin gawin yon. And from there, this is the 25 days trip, no? It was supposed to be just 20 days and something happened along the way. So from there, from Jakarta, I traveled to Yogyakarta. I went to Bali. And then from there, I bought a ticket to go to Vietnam. Okay po? So I think I stayed nearly 2 weeks in Indonesia. And a week in Malaysia, going 2 weeks in Indonesia, and then Vietnam supposed to be like less than 5 days. Okay? But suddenly, I went out to party. I went out at night in Ho Chi Minh to party, to eat a lot of good food, and nakalimutan ko na flight ko na pala ng 2:00 ng madaling araw, hindi 2:00 ng hapon. And at that moment, no, sabi ko, paano na to? Cancel na yung ticket kasi hindi ako nakalipad. I booked a hotel alam niyo po yung hotel sa Vietnam is like, how to say this? 100 square meter. My room was 100 square meter room. Now feels like everything is there already. It's like a whole house na. Ang laki. No? And for a good price. All of these things cannot be done if we don't have the passive residual income with Sante. And if I don't have the luxury of time to be able to travel for 30 days, for 20, 25 days, or 30 days, na hindi ako nag-work at hindi ako tinatawagan ng boss maya't maya na mag-report. Yes po. And, ano pa po yun? And, ito pa, syempre po, kailangan maghanap ng travel agency, no? Para makabook ako ng ticket pauwi ng Philippines. And God is good. No matter, nung pumunta ako sa airport, ayaw nila ako pagbilhan doon ng ticket sa counter because they said na I cannot afford the price. They said in the airport. The price of the ticket is so high, super expensive, you cannot afford it. That words. And hindi na ako makipag-argue doon kasi iba silang mga lahi. So I said, okay, let me book a hotel again, and then I'll figure out how to get my own ticket, how to buy my own ticket. And good thing na kinabukasan, after 2 days, nakahanap ako ng travel agency and they booked me a ticket to PAL. Sabi nila, when would you like to fly? I said, I would like to go home tomorrow. I said, this is the price. Okay, I'll pay for it. I wanna go home. That's why umabot yun ng 25 days kasi na-stranded ako sa Vietnam. Okay? But it's such a good experience na when we travel, it's not a tipid travel. Okay po? Because we have the continuous income na tuloy-tuloy, as in, kada gabi, merong 5,000 dyan, may 10,000 dyan, may US dollars na income, may magchat-chat pa na nagpadala ng pera, magpa-franchise, ibinili yung franchise na hindi ako yung bumili, no? Hindi ako yung pumunta sa opisina, nag-process noon, parang tinulungan ko na lang mag-process. Everything is online. Business is moving online. People are, multiplying while I am away and enjoying my time, which is really, really amazing. So, From then on, alam niyo po yun, yung, sabi ko, posible pala. So, yung mga simple na mga dreams po natin, no? Whether it's a small or big dreams for you, it's not small, okay? Whether it's small, it's a dream, okay? But what I'm trying to tell you right now is that, mas maganda po lakihan natin yung pangarap natin kasi napaka-posible po niyan. Back in 2022, once I arrived home and traveled for Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand cruise trip, I have qualified po. That's when I get my car incentive from Sante. So, I have purchased the car using Sante's money, no? But the car itself, if you would like to check if it's under my name, it's under my name, okay? So from then on, back in 2024 or last year, I have traveled for 30 days, including long stay in Singapore. Singapore, hindi po yan basta-basta na bansa, to stay there for more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks, it will, it's like slashing your pocket. Pero we were able to do that. So much with the travel, no? I have a lot of stories to tell. So, ang pinaka bottom line po ng lahat ng kwentuhan natin na to is I got a builder package for a starter, nagsisimula ako. And then afterwards, sinuloy-tuloy ko po yung negosyo. I have upgraded to franchisee package, which at the time is 125,000 pesos po, no? Na kumikita po ako, nire-reinvest ko yung aking kita sa negosyo. So, umiikot po siya ng umiikot hanggang sa nabot ko yung franchisee ko na package, hanggang sa nakapag-add pa ako ng mga personal kong mga packages, no? So, if you do that, onset ng negosyo, kung hindi ka pa franchisee, perfect moment na maging franchisee ka if you're really serious in doing the business. Pero kung nandito ka lang naman po and you are our loyal consumers ng Barley, we're more than happy to have you here and to assist you in whichever you need regarding the product. Pero if you are a business builder like us, we highly suggest na pagtulungan po natin to, and with the program and the team, the system, na proven po talaga that it helped thousands and thousands and thousands of people's lives across the globe and made millionaires na po talaga. I can tell you, napaka-posible. And sa ilalabas ni Sante na enhanced compensation plan na talagang magpapakilig sa atin, yung money machine. Yung sasabihin lang, 100,000 pesos ay pwede nang income ng 1 week lang. It's super duper true po talaga. Now, again, if you want to travel, the Sante Partnership Program in our Team's Talent 777 community can help you with that. If you would like to dream about your dream car, napaka-posible po niya. Nangyari na po sa aming mga mentors and sa marami po pong mentors sa Sante. And stories of OFWs, marami na pong story ng success dito in every walks of life. Now, kung gusto nyo na po ma-achieve yung dream house, it's a Filipino dream, no? Napaka-posible po niyan. Sa Mentor Eds, Mentor Gab, meron po silang resort. And if you would like to, have your kids have better education, life itself, napaka-posible po niyan. Gusto mo ng time, maraming time, na hindi na sacrifice ang iyong income, this is a perfect opportunity for you. Pagtulong-tulungan po natin. And later on, at 6:30, we have Sante Business Owners Orientation Program. It will be discussed by no other than our dearest mentor, top 9 Sante Elite PH mentor, Mary Christine Payawal. So stay tuned. Watch if you are nearby in the head office. Watch live. And also if you're far away, tawid dagat ka, then you watch it online, no? Huwag mong palalagpasin ang mga events. Again, your dreams are always possible, visible, and clear if you have it, if you see it every time. So, yung technique na mag-cut out ka, mag-edit ka, lagay mukha mo doon sa travel, gawin mo yon. If the pin rank promotion, hit the pin rank, the highest pin rank possible before this year ends, it will help you multiply your income 10x. And here, we are not just about material things, not just about a personal gain or personal achievement, but we are here gaining momentum, achieving our goals because we are the living testimony of God's grace in our life, and also a testimony inspiring people to live better lives because there's no ceiling in achieving our dreams. Congratulations everyone for watching the live and rewatching it or watching it after this is done. Thank you so much, Mentor Susan Monterrey Fergay from Hong Kong. Thank you, Coach Maria Nacional. Thank you so much, our dearest Stallion 777 family members across the globe. We love you all. Let's live more and do more with Sante. Take care and God bless. See ya!